Hi guys, I am back today with Born Pretty Spring Garden L003. These to me, like, they look like really sweet little feminine tattoos, or like the kind of temporary tattoos you would get and put on, and they kind of have a mystical feel, have a spiritual feel to it. I'm big into yoga and that kind of stuff, and I love sort of any Buddhist kind of iconography, and so I love this. I love the lotuses. Butterflies, of course, are always very, very peaceful. Look at how pretty this is. Oh my gosh. The images are all different sizes, so let me give you a quick shot here with the ruler so you can see with the millimeters and with the inches how big those are, and then of course this way as well to give you a feel. And then we will go play around with it. Hello again. All right. And I'm going to do just a simple, stark black and white look with this because I think that these designs are so simple and so linear that they can be really stunning in just like simple contrast. All right, and there is the image. All right, and the cool thing about the swatch stick is I can get pretty much the whole design in there. If you have really long nails, you're going to be able to fit the whole design. When I did a manicure with this, and I kind of got that much, which I think is still beautiful. For the next manicure, this is a smoosh that I did. Quickly, there we go. I was afraid that I hadn't worked fast enough and those fine lines wouldn't show up. And then for the final look, I've done a reverse stamping of this, and I put a coat of my Orly on here, and it is dry, so I am going to just put this on, put my reverse stamped image on, and lift off carefully. Ah, I'm telling you, that Orly Bonder base coat makes that so simple. And here it is, right side up. And I love those colors together. I think I'm going to have to put peach and purple together more often. Alright, let me top coat them. Alright, so let's take another look. Here is the black and white look. Here is the silver over that smoosh mani. And finally that reversed stamped image over that peach. And seriously, I need to put those colors together more often. I really like how that came out. Alright, I will link everything down below, and thank you for watching.